Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago on my Instagram, I asked you guys to decide between the two options. One was 5 nude lipsticks under rupees 300 and the other option was like my top 10 favorite lipsticks under rupees 1000. So you guys selected the first option, which was 5 nude lipsticks under rupees 300. If this video interests you, please keep watching it. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started into the video. So the first shade is this lip shade, which is from Bella Voste, and it is in the shade 11 Lean On. So I just love the packaging. It is basically a lip crayon, and when you open it, the cap of this lip crayon is really good. This is travel friendly, totally travel friendly. Even if you just tighten it up, it will not come off. Like, this is super duper good if you travel. And I am just going to swatch the shade for you. This is how the color looks. This is super duper pigmented. I'll just swatch it on my lips for you. Just look at the shade, guys. This is amazing. Super pigmented, super duper moisturizing. This one is highly pigmented. Just one stroke of this lip shade and you are good to go. This retails for rupees 149, but on discount I got it for like 129, and this is available on Purple app. Next shade which I am obsessed with is this lip shade. It is a mini lipstick from Nykaa and it is in the shade Bombay 01. Guys, believe me, if you ever buy this, you will never regret it. Never. I actually, when I bought this, I was so disappointed with the size of the lipstick that I wanted to return it, but I don't know why. I just didn't, and that was the best decision, and now I love this. So this is a really good option where you get to buy a mini lipstick and you just get to know the color, and if you are like happy with the color, you can definitely go for the bigger size. So I am definitely going to buy the bigger size after I finish this off, but this is definitely a great lip shade. I am just going to swatch it. So this is how the shade looks. So now I am going to swatch it on my lips for you. So this is how the color looks. It pays off really well, and this is super matte, but you will not feel dry on your lips, which is the best part about lipsticks, because I own so many lipsticks which are matte, but I feel so drying after applying them that I really don't use them that much. But this one is really good. So the third lipstick is from Maybelline in the shade 650 Nude Emeralds, and I almost own so many lipsticks from this range because this is super duper affordable. This is for like 2.99, just 1 rupee under the budget, and I love this. So I just love creamy matte lipsticks. If you are someone of my shade, this won't look that good on you because it makes my face look pale. So I use this lipstick with other lipsticks. So ये लिपस्टिक ऐसी नहीं है जिसको मैं सिर्फ अकेले लगाऊं एंड देन आई एम गुड टू गो. नो, आई हैव टू अप्लाई कोई और लिपस्टिक विद इट सो दैट जो मेरा फेस है वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखे. अदरवाइज ये मेरे लिप्स पे बहुत डल लगती है. बट अगर आपको न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स अच्छी लगती हैं, लाइक न्यूडी न्यूड, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें कलर नहीं होता है, तो दिस वन इज़ फॉर यू. आई विल जस्ट वॉच इट. So this is how the lip color looks. I know this is a perfect nude, if you want to go for a no makeup look, but I personally don't like it that much. But the formula is so amazing. It is so moisturizing, it is so pigmented, and it is super duper affordable. It actually highlights my lips. So for whatever reason, I like this lipstick, and you should definitely check this out. So the fourth lipstick is again from this range only, and it is in the shade 655 Daringly Nude, and this is my second purchase. So this is the only lipstick which I've literally applied daily during my college days. So I absolutely love this. And guys, I'm so bad at swatching. I seriously fail at swatching. You can just see my hand, but please look at the lips and then decide if you want to buy the lip shade or not. This is my first swatch video, so that is why I'm nervous. I'm going to swatch it here on my hand. So this is how it looks. So the last lip shade in this series is the one from NY Bay, and it is in the shade 01 Peppy Pearson. So this is the color, you guys. It looks so good. The packaging is so good. I literally like the black color all over. This is really great. And this one was for 135 rupees and I got it for 112. This is literally under 150 rupees. And where will you get such lipstick? And I'll just swatch it for you. Okay, so this is how the color looks. This is again a brownish tone and perfect for every occasion. So I'll just swatch it for you guys. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked all the colors. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And please hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, I have decided that at the end of my videos, I am going to give shout out to 2 people whosoever is like regularly liking, commenting on my YouTube videos and is connected with me on Instagram. So if you want to get a shout out from me, you can just go and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. And in my next videos, like from now on, I am going to give 2 shout outs, and let's see if you are the lucky one. So thank you for watching it. Bye bye.